Lo mbhikisho usubeka ingcupheni impilo yezakhamuzi ezinye ziphila ngamaphilisi kanti ziza lapha emtholampilo ukuzowalanda.
Security sithi sime phandle simile phandle sifuna medication asiyazi sizaphinda sifumane.
Amabhizinisi awasalanga ngaphandle kudatshwe impahla ezitolo zabokufika.
They are damaging too much things in my shop and they are looting the most expensive things.
Luckily, with the police, they understand, and we've been working together peacefully to reduce the lootings and all the crimes that has been happening in Bloemfontein.
Lo mbhikisho usuholele ekutheni kuvalwe izitolo nosekudale ukukhathazeka kubathengi. Izakhamuzi zithi lo mbhikisho usuphenduke ubugebengu.
Amathi agcwele endleleni, izimoto aziyazi kuhamba, kustakiwe asinakutya endlini.
Amaphoyisa asebophe abantu abayisikhombisa ngamacala okususa udlame emphakathini kusukela ngomsombuluko. Abanye bebevele enkantolo yemantshi yaseBloemfontein namhlanje kubalwa kubo nonogada odubule ibhungu nobhekene necala lokubulala ngongenhloso. Yena ukhishwe ngebheyili yenkulungwane yamarandi namhlanje. Akacaci ukuthi ingabe lo mbhikisho uzoqhubeka noma cha.